Hi everybody, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to put a Calendly calendar embedded inside your LeadsHook decision tree. So first thing, I'm just going to grab the inline embed that you can put onto any website on the planet from Calendly. If you're using some other calendar app, it would work in a similar manner. Right, so let's just grab that. So I'm going to copy. And I'm going to go over to LeadsHook, and let's see if that's my form here. I go ahead to my page where I'm embedding it. In this case, it's a thank you page, and that's where it is. Okay, so right there. So because I was testing, so I've just got to copy and paste it over here. What you want to do next is to put in your variables at the end of it. So this is the bit that I've added in. So let me just copy and paste that over here. So let's just paste that at the end of the URL, which is this one right over here. I'm just going to put I've just got slash and then put your variables. So in this case, I'm just going to get rid of that, and so full name equals Nick, ampersand email equals, and you can have the email address. Right. So in our case, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the variables now. And so full name, I'm just going to put first name here, but you could put both of them. So in this case, you could have first underscore name. Okay, now you could have or you could add a full name over there as well by joining up two fields. So I'm just going to leave that for now. So full name equals first underscore name, which is the LeadsHook variable, and then email equals the email variable. Now, how do I know that that's what variables you want to use? Firstly, if I just grab that inside in Chrome here, you can see that it's called full underscore name. And similarly, if I go over here, let me just click that into email, and you can see that it's called email. Okay, so that's how I know that that's first name, full name, and email. And also in the documentation, which I believe is over here, that's what they refer to. And then thereafter, they use A1, A2, A3, A4. So in this case, the phone number, they're using A4. So I'm not quite sure how that works, but basically, in order to add additional variables apart from name and email, you need to start using A1, A2, A3, A4. So I'll put a link to this article as well. Right. So that tells me how we should go about doing this, and I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Publish. And I'm just going to call this my latest version, which is added variables. Okay, go ahead and save. So that's updated the decision tree with the latest code. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so I'm going to go and put in here, that's called Nick test, and email address. And okay, so basically I'm on this node at the moment, and I'm going to go through to the next one. Submit, and I'm just going to bring that down. So there you go. There's the Calendly embed. Go ahead and just pick that. Yeah, I confirm. So there you go. The name and email address has been added in. Now, if you have other fields, phone number and all the rest of it, that's where you're going to have to use A1, A2, A3, and all the way, I believe it goes up to about A10 or something. But that's basically in a nutshell how you go about doing it. Right. So I hope that shows you how to use, how to embed Calendly inside LeadsHook, and also pre-fill the form fields inside Calendly from any data captured inside LeadsHook. All right. Thank you, and bye for now.